Good morning everybody and welcome to the next video. Today I'm going to be talking some about more 3D printing things. One of the biggest questions I get asked having a 3D printer is, well, what can you print? I'm like, well, pretty much anything. You know, I printed this Death Star. Working on some Christmas ornaments and things like that. And people say, well, no, but what can you print that helps you out? It's like, well, pretty much anything. So I'm going to do a video today on kind of something I found that is not just a trinket or a design thing to have around your house. Here, as you can see, I'm on Thingiverse. This cable tie is what I'm going to be printing out, and it's by the designer called make_anything. I'll have a link in the video description below. So I'm going to go over to my slicer, pull that up. I'm going to hit build. Actually, I want to scale it first. I'm going to go to scale and do ununiform scaling, because that is where it will scale the whole model, and I just want to scale one design. As you can see here, it's about 5.21 inches long. I'm thinking I want mine about 6. So I'm going to 6 inches. Gonna do build. Do 0.2 millimeter infill. Let's say, just try 20%, see what that does. 120 millimeters, and turn the temperature down. Alright, so now that's slicing. Alright, that's done slicing it, saying it's going to take about 9 minutes and 0.27 millimeters of filament. So let's go ahead and send that over to the 3D printer and get it printed. So I ended up, actually, this is the 6-inch one, and it's actually a little short for what I was thinking. So I printed a bigger 7-inch one, and now we're going to put them to use. Here we are under the desk that we set up in my last video. And as you can see, we've got these cables that are kind of hanging all over the place. So this is what we're going to use our cable ties on. And for being 3D printed, it's amazing how flexible these are. Usually when you get, a piece of filament, you just bend it and it breaks right away. So I was very impressed with this model, which again is linked down below if you want to print it out yourself. There you go. It's all nice and cleaned up now, and I have 2 extra ones. there you go, guys. Something super useful and helpful that you can make with your 3D printer. It took me about 10 minutes per zip tie. Didn't have to go to the store. Just, downloaded the file and printed it. I'm going to be doing a couple other videos like this. Different ideas I have of household items that you can make with your 3D printer. If you guys do want to buy a set of these, or anything else you saw in this video, there'll be a link in the video description below to our website that we have going on that has a bunch of different 3D printed stuff. We're actually getting ready to put up some Christmas ornaments and things like that that I think will be really cool. Feel free to check that out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching.